Yeah, hi Chris, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know, I got your laser on Friday. I did give it a test and it was dead, so I stripped it down. I've given the cogs a good clean. I've checked the micro switch for you. I've checked the board for you, and I've installed a brand new laser. So you shouldn't have any issues with that now. The cogs are still quite tight, but it has had wear on this. You know, obviously, as you know, it's a really old part. So yeah, so you've got a 6-month warranty on the laser and my labour. That is what I can give on the part I've replaced and my labour on that. You know, I can't guarantee your board, I can't guarantee your cogs because I haven't changed them. It's only when I change them that I can, you know, give you a guarantee. But as you can see, I'm just going to turn that off. Okay, so you can see it will start up from new, right? So I'm just going to push the play button on here. Let me turn this volume up. You hear that play? And I'm using headphones with this, so yeah, it's not, you know, blasting out as such on a pair of speakers, but it does the trick. Yeah, I'm sure you can hear that. So yeah, so basically that's all done for you, and I'm going to get that in the post, but please don't hold me responsible for the post, because the post is running late no matter how I send it. But I will send it signed for, so it gets a little bit quicker, hopefully, and hopefully you get it before, you know, Christmas. So you have a lovely Christmas and a new year, and stay safe, and, you know, hope your family are all safe and well. Thank you ever so much, Christopher. Have a great one.